Hello everyone, this is Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 7th of January 2020 Shift 1 Memory Based Question. Question number 11. Find image of the point 216 in the plane containing points 210, 633 and 522. So here is the point. Let's try to solve this. Here is the 3 points. It is A, B and C. Let A is equal to 2, 1, 0. B is equal to 6, 3, 3 and C is equal to 5, 2, 2. These are the 3 points, and image of the point is just image of the point 216 is just behind of this. Now we join A to C and A to B. So 3 points are known to us. Now cross product of this point is equal to normal vector. We know. So we just find the normal vector of this 3 point. Normal vector n is equal to AB cross AC. Now matrix is written I cap, J cap and K cap, and it is A minus B, B minus A, 6 minus 2, that is 4, 3 minus 1, that is 2, and 3 minus 0, that is 3. Now write AC. AC vector means C minus A, that is 5 minus 2, 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 0, 2. This is the normal matrix. Now fix this and multiply this and minus this. It is get I cap only plus J cap, it is minus, and 8 minus 9, that is minus 1, that is J cap, and finally it is plus K cap. Then it is fixed, so 4 minus 3, that is minus 4 minus 6, that is 2 K cap. It is our normal vector. So we should write equation of the plane. Equation of the plane is x plus y minus 2z is equal to c. This is the equation of the plane. Just plug in this value 210. Just plug in this value 210, the point A, in this equation. C becomes 3. 2, 1 plus, that is 0, that is C is equal to 3. So finally equation of the line becomes x plus y minus 2z is equal to 3. Now the formula of the image, formula of image. Formula of image is just which is the point 2, 1, 6. Therefore x minus 2 divide the coefficient of x 1 is equal to y minus 1 divide the coefficient of y 1 is equal to z minus 6 divide the coefficient of z, that is minus 2, and just plug in 2, 1, 6 in this equation. C becomes, it is minus 2, C becomes minus 12 divided by, that is 6. So our final x minus 2 is equal to y minus 1 is equal to z minus 6 divide minus 2, and it is minus of 4, 6, 2, that is plus 4. Therefore the points is x minus 2, it is 6, and x becomes 6, and y becomes 5, and z become minus 8, 2, z becomes minus of 2. So the points, image of the point is 6, 5, minus of 2. We reached the answer, and our option is 6, 5, minus 2, option 1. So here is the whole problem, and that's all for today.